All right, we're in Gardena today, and we are installing a two-way cleanout right here. I was here a few days ago. I crawled under, and this is where the sewer is coming out of the building right here. Comes like that. I dug it up. I actually made a little video and then I deleted it all because I figure I'll just start it from the beginning. But this property doesn't have a clean out anywhere, and the sewer likely runs underneath, and the owner wants to scope the sewer, so really not much else to do than install a two-way clean out. So let's get to it. Forget the gym, dude. If you want to get fit, go dig every day. Golly. That's just 15 minutes worth right there, dude. Doing pretty good. 45 minutes in. Not bad. I was hoping it didn't turn like that. It's gonna make it harder. But now it's time for a little chipping hammer action. There's concrete on top of this pipe and on the sides here. I gotta be careful getting that off. It's on the underneath of the pipe, so I don't know. It goes all the way underneath. All right, I got clearance under that. I'm gonna cut this right about here. Problem is, it has all that concrete on it or whatever that is. This side's nice and smooth all around. This side, I'm worried about. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Now I can get the grinder in there like that, using a masonry blade. Yep. Here you go. Clay is really quite easy to cut. All right, this is interesting. You got, that's 3-inch cast iron, and they sleeved it through the foundation with clay. Interesting. So I'm gonna cut this about like that, and it would be nice to do two combis facing each other, but I'm just simply not gonna have enough room right here. I have it on wide angle. There is not a lot of room. There's no way it's gonna fit with this. I'm gonna have to put a 22 or 45, or I'll probably get a 22, 45, and 60 street. No hub band, a street, 3-inch two-way clean out fitting, and then a 3x4 22 3-inch. So I don't know if, again, the camera does it justice, but I ain't gonna be fitting 2 combis in here. It's simple as that. The good part is that this is not that deep, and a 2-way clean out, even if this pipe is full of water, you'll be able to tell which way the cable's going. You know what? I got some Ys in the van. Let me just make sure I can't fit it. Like I said, it's just not enough room, dude. It's not enough room, unfortunately. And the clay no-hub bands by ABS, those things are big, and so it is what it is. We'll get a 2-way clean out and do it that way. It's a 4x3, and then we'll go straight across. I'm going to put a little grease on the pipe here, because these are very hard to get in sometimes. Man, those are hard to get in, dude. Wow. All right. Okay, before I tie this all together, I might as well just camera the sewer. Dang, that was not easy. That was not easy, let me tell you. But I got it. Okay, let's get the measurement here. It's hard to see, it looks like it's 18 inches. All right, there you go, all done. So believe me when I say I put in a lot of thought. How do I want to do this? I could have just done a Y going towards the street. The reason I didn't is because I've been in situations where, yeah, I could pull the toilet inside, but the toilets are full of poop to the brim, and quite frankly, I don't want to pull the toilet with poop and pee water in it. And if the clog is somewhere this way, it will be a saving grace at 9 p.m. on a Wednesday evening when somebody's backing up. You get what I'm saying? And on top of that, having a 2-way clean out, well, any clean out for that matter, you can determine where the clog is. If you pop the clean out, if they have a clog inside and they pop the clean out and nothing comes out and the clog is inside, if you pop the clean out and there's water in it, the clog is going to be somewhere out here, right? So there have been multiple instances where I begged in my mind for a 2-way clean out so I could snake towards the house, because if I do the Y, you're only going this way. So that's why I personally prefer the 2-way clean out fitting, if I can't do the 2 combis facing each other, which I absolutely couldn't in this scenario. All right, let's back. There you go.